If you have country or geographically located information on your data source, then what you can also do is insert out Google Map and show the data on a map. So to do that, you can go around to add a chart, and here you can see Google Maps is an option. So I'm going to go around onto bubble map and click, and what happens is that it takes country, as you can see, as the location right here. And according to the metric right here, you can see that different lines right here, different dots right here is there, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around over here, and let's say I want something like a user right here. So I want to add in users right here as the, let's say for example, color dimension right here. Then what happens is that the user gets added out as the dimension. So I'm just going to go around and add in user right here. So user type. So let me just go around over here. And then what happens is that the map gets updated according to the colors, as you can see. So there's the returning visitors, which is black, and new users is going to be red, as you can see right here. And all is based on the Google Maps right here. You can also go around onto style right here and change around, like let's say for example you don't want to display the roads and so forth. You can go around and turn that off over here as well. So you can really zoom in over here and see all of the details because this is Google Map itself. So there's the bubble there, as you can see, which you can make large or small, as you can see right here. And you can also work around with its opacity level right here, just like this. And then you can go around over here, change around the outline over here as well, so it looks a certain way. So another thing that you can do is you can add a chart, and you can go around, add in a filled map over here as well, so which displays out the data in a different way. So if I were to go around, you can see the location is here. For this one, if I were to go around, you can see the country right here, and there's the reason. And for this, you can see the outline right here instead of dots. Similarly, there's different things like heat maps right here, which changes around the color of the country itself. So you can see the heat map over here according to the data that you have. So that is how you can work around with Google Map chart and display out the data in a map itself, that is in Google Maps, in different ways inside of Google Data Studio. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.